Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the text tool. The text tool allows you to add text to your image. Click on the text tool icon on the toolbar or press the X shortcut key. Enter your text string here. Choose a color. Click the font button to select the font, size and special attributes. Click and drag on the canvas to place your text. If your text needs a fine placement, you can use the different drawing guides options. If you want to rotate your text, the best is to use the copy and paste tools. Click on the copy tool icon on the toolbar. Click and drag on the canvas to select the text. Click on the paste tool icon on the toolbar. Select the stamp mode and enter the rotation degree in the rotate box. Click and drag on the canvas to place the text. You can also use the transform rotate mode. Click on the brush tool and select the Pro Eraser or any other eraser brush and clear the text which you don't need anymore.